So hey everyone and welcome back to my video series. This is Shraddha and you're watching Unique Chat BBR. So as today is another BBR Sunday and today I have the part 3 video of the book How to Stop Worrying and Start Living by Dale Carnegie. So as we have already reviewed this book in 2 parts. So part 1 video is already up in the channel, eye popping up is of course there, part 2 video is also uploaded and part 3 video you're watching right now. So don't forget to watch them. The videos are on the screen, also in the link in the description box. So of course in today's video I'm going to give you all, first of all it's BBR Marview and the hashtag BBR experience, hashtag flash runs, and by the end of this video I'm also going to give you all 2 idioms for you to use in your daily conversations. So quickly, let's get started as this video is going to have a lot of different types of things. So 26 BBR is our wish. Let's start the video in a wish. Okay, so the first here comes is BBR Marview. So now this book also tells us that we should have a personal diary or maybe a folder which tells us FTD, means fool things I've done in my life. This sounds funny but it's very helpful. So this can actually help us to actually get that what are the fool things, because this book tells us that every man is a damn fool for at least 5 minutes a day. But wisdom consists in not exceeding that limit. So what you have to do is, if you do a fool thing, just quickly write down in this book, and every day night or at least on weekend nights just go and check through all of those fool things you made and try not to do it again. So like this we can also learn from our own mistakes, because we learn from our own mistakes, and also we can learn from the mistakes that others make, because life is too short to make those mistakes again. So if the other person makes mistakes, let's learn from them too and just make ourselves more faster and greater. Now this book also tells us, let's make an inspirational book or folder or scrapbook which has proper inspirational quotes, quotations, phrases, or maybe songs, or maybe poems, or maybe some prayers, etc. which really lift you up and appeal you the most. So if you have any of these inspirational quotes, go quickly write them down in that special inspirational book. And whenever you're feeling a little bit of down, uninspired or unmotivated, go and run to that book and quickly get inspired to do your work at that time. Now this book also tells us that relax. Now tension is a habit and worrying is a habit too. So of course if we just say no to a project maybe, and if we just sometimes kind of just say that hey this work is not done, now what should I do? So for that time just relax for a particular time. Take some power naps. Do the thing that army does. They rest for a few times before getting tired and then work again. So like these you can add 1 more hour to your day and work a little bit of more, give an extra mile in that work, and you can also kind of just not get very tired and just exhausted with your work. Because we actually get bored if we are tired and not interested in the topic. So first get interested in the thing you're doing and then just take that power nap, go rest, say let go, still your whole body, stop all the thoughts from your body and just relax and feel yourself. You know that the most important habit or the most important part of that relaxation is our eyes, and this book also tells us that if our eyes really get relaxed, we can actually not remember or forget all of those most biggest problems, and this can also help us or our troubles which we forget in this to get out that pain or kind of that worry which we get through just worrying about hey I have so many of these troubles, what can I do? So if we just do this process and just try to relax our eyes, we can forget those troubles too. Now this book also tells us that clean your desk. Clean your desk of all of those not important papers which are not related to the main problem right now. So if you have a problem and there are many different types of folders, papers you have, first take out which is the main problem right now and just sort out all the things which are necessary for that problem only. Keep everything away for a moment, because that will actually make you very jumbled that which thing I have to do right now and what exerts actually you with this. Now the next point I have is now just keep some things with important priorities. Like if you have some work, first make sure to sort out all the things. Like for priority 1, this goes as the most important part. Now if there are more some sub-important topics, go for that priority ones, sub-priorities and add them there. Then priority 2 and so on. Like this way you can make your own organizational system which can actually help you into solving out your that problem and live a more organized life. This book also tells us that learn to organize, deputize and of course supervise. So our organized life is of course always happy, joyful, without any worries, constructive, and we can get our things done very quickly. So the next point I have is just relating to the things I've told many a times in our reviews. That is, plan up a tomorrow schedule. That if you have to do something tomorrow, write all of those schedules today at night. Now this can actually help us to have a plan before doing something is better than having nothing. So what you have to do is plan everything in advance so you know what you have to do and what action you have to actually take in that. When you have a problem, solve it there and there if you have those necessary facts which are most important to solve it. Because if you just put off, then for tomorrow, like this, if you do for just 1 week, you'll have n number of different types of problems facing, and that will actually result in worrying because you have a lot of different types of things right now on your plate. Now, as I've told in my part 2 review, that you can't actually watch a whole week's dishes at one time. So do the task every day at a time, and that can help you in enjoying your life and living your life without tensions and hurrying that hey, I have to do this, hey, I have to do that. And so that was my review. I do hope that you all loved this. Now, of course, there are many more techniques, tricks, and most important examples of real life in this book. Go read it. I have given some of those most important points which you can right now take in yourself in this situation and start by improving yourself. Now you can also read this book in ebooks from Google and more. You can also listen to its audiobooks and many other things on YouTube, as you can see on the screens here, and much more things are also there. Read it physically too. And so let's move to the hashtag BBR experience. It is that you can share your experience about how you felt, what you learned after reading this book, any other book or our review things too. Put comments with hashtag BBR experience. Any comments I love are going to get a shout out with hashtag flashminutes. And a big flash me to the best experiences you shared with me. Okay, and so these were the best experiences I got from all of you, and I'm looking forward for all of them. So let's move to the last part of our video, which is 2 videos for you to use in your daily conversations. The first idiom I have is do one's best. It means do all one can. Example, Emily did her best in scoring the best in her term examinations. The idiom number 2 I have is better late than never. It means better arriving late than never to arrive. Example, Kim paid me the bills he owed me, well, better late than never. Actually, he paid me a little bit of, kind of late, but it's okay, he paid. So that was all from me for all of you today, and I hope you loved the video and this special concept, and a new video with a new concept is waiting for all of you on next Sunday at sharp 5 PM IST, and more KST and GMT timings are in the time zones in the comment section, so don't forget to check them out. Don't forget to send loads of your love with the social media platforms you can see on the screen right now, and also many more things. Don't forget to comment, and don't forget to send loads of your love more. And happy watching, happy learning, and unique readings.